Did you know there's no need to roll the adhesive ribs with ARDEX AF 145 and ARDEX AF 148 pressure sensitive adhesives? Some manufacturers recommend rolling the adhesive ribs immediately after application to reduce adhesive grin through, improve the transfer, adhesion and final bond strength. With ARDEX AF 145 and ARDEX AF 148, simply apply the adhesive with the correct notch trowel, allow to air and fit. Finally, roll with a heavy roller and you're done. No additional installation steps, no grin through, just maximum adhesive transfer and final bond strength. To find out how ARDEX flooring adhesives can help you on your next project, give us a call or drop us an email.